Welcome to the family. You said yes to the best. My name is Coach Crystal and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this shaken tea. Your 3-day experience is going to be the best 3 days ever. So you have two options when making your shake. You can blend it or you can shake it. So first I'm going to show you how we will shake our shake. You put cold water in a cup. This is about 12 ounces of water. And then we're going to open up our shake packet. This is where scissors come in handy at, okay? So we're gonna open up our packet, right? We're going to pour it in. Put your top, and you can use any cup that you choose. Make sure the top stay on, and we're gonna shake. Shake, shake, shake. Hey, look at that. That wasn't even a whole minute. Now, if your water wasn't cold, you could simply add a couple ice cubes and voila, meal number 1. Okay, now I'm also going to show you how to make your shake and we're going to blend it. So I have here the NutriBullet and I'm using the small cup, okay? So I put about 1/3 of water and then I'm going to open up the shake packet. Put the shake packet in. We call this a double blend. You don't have to double blend. If you want, you can just put ice in here, but I'm going to double blend. So we're going to blend it for 2 seconds, right? Then I'm going to add ice. That's why I tell you all, anybody could do this. Got it? We're going to put the top on it. Now, you can control the consistency of your shake. If you've been to one of our healthy hangouts, this is literally how we make your shake. It's like a milkshake. Whoa, easy. Look at that. So, you want to pour it a little bit slower so that all your shake ends up in your cup. All right, there we have it. And let's light this up. So I want to show you, because a lot of times we feel defeated because we're like, I can't make it like that. Look at this, guys. Nice and thick. There you have it. So we have our meal replacement shake blended with ice and water. And then we have our meal replacement shake. We just shook it up with cold water. Now, while we sit these here, let's make our tea. So, when you receive your 3-day package, we call it our 3-day experience, you either receive 6 metabolism booster tabs or 6 teas. Now, if you had a tab, you would simply consume your shake and then have your total control tab. If you had tea, you may have received, sometimes we throw in some flavor packets. If you didn't receive a flavor packet, no problem. All you need to do, you can put a little honey in there, you can put a little stevia to sweeten it up. But when you upgrade to your 14-day plan, you're going to receive a tea and aloe. So your coach will get back to you with that. But we simply, and you'll get the video. It's so delicious, y'all. We take our tea, we add our aloe to it. So remember, the tea boosts your metabolism, burn calories, and give you energy. So we're going to open up our tea packet. And we're going to put it in our water. And then if you received the flavor packet, and if you did not, go to your supermarket. It's like $2 and you get 10 to 12 or 6 to 12. They come in all different types of flavors and sizes. You just want to make sure you don't get the ones that have sugar in it. I'm going to pour half of this flavor packet in. Normally we have a little music. You can stir it up with a spoon, or you literally, this is like I'm a gadget girl. This is the cutest thing ever. You literally could put it in, blend it, right? This will be an orange tea. I'm using a Skittles orange. Then what we're gonna do is add some more water. I'm gonna be wise this time. Still drop ice on the floor, no problem. You would think after doing this for 10 years, I would have mastered it. Perfectly imperfect, working on my perfection. So here we have it. We have your tea, we have your shake. You get to have a phenomenal day on purpose. So super excited for you. And I also want to remind you, before you get started, remember to hop on the scale, take a picture, send it to your coach. Remember to do something today that your future self is going to thank you for, and I will see you soon.